Everything grows, but some changes in nature are so total they seem like magic. This is the study of life cycles. While a human baby grows into an adult that looks mostly the same, other creatures undergo a complete body makeover called metamorphosis. The classic example is the butterfly. It starts as a tiny egg on a leaf. From it hatches a caterpillar, a relentless eating machine that does nothing but eat and grow, even shedding its skin when it gets too tight. Then the magic happens. The caterpillar builds a hard shell, a chrysalis, around itself. Inside, its body dissolves into a kind of nutrient soup. From that soup, it completely rebuilds. Finally, a butterfly emerges, dries its new wings, and flies off. A crawling machine turned into a flying one. Of course, not every animal does this. Most mammals, like dogs or kangaroos, have simple life cycles. A puppy is born looking like a small dog. It just gets bigger, stronger, and learns how to survive. But even this is amazing. Think of a baby kangaroo born the size of a jelly bean that must crawl into its mother's pouch to finish growing. Plants have their own journey. A giant oak tree begins as a tiny acorn. When it gets water and warmth, it germinates, sprouting a root and a shoot. This seedling grows leaves to catch sunlight, becoming a strong adult plant that produces flowers. Those flowers then create new seeds, and the whole cycle starts over. These cycles are the engine of life. They ensure that species, from butterflies to forests, continue to exist. By understanding these stages, knowing what a caterpillar needs to eat or when a seed needs to be planted, we can help protect endangered animals and grow the food we eat. It's a constant, beautiful loop, ensuring life goes on and on.